Now, Dragon will allow you to post to your Twitter and Facebook accounts. Now, to do that, you are going to want to be logged into your account in both Facebook and Twitter. And we're going to work from a string of text in our document and move that content into both Facebook and Twitter. So what we're going to do first is we're going to click on our mic, select You through Communicate, post that to Twitter, click OK. And you'll see now that our post is on Twitter. Post that to Facebook. Click OK. And our post is now present. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.